There was this one time I had a family that really needed a place to live. They were living in a hotel and they were spending so much money on that hotel. And it was actually kind of a larger family. So it was mother, father, and they had 3 kids. They already knew that they wanted to purchase a home, so they didn't renew their lease. And they had a realtor. However, they were still in the hotel. So someone referred these clients to me, brought them in, and I didn't really know if I could help them, but I was gonna at least try, right? And so what I ended up doing, I ended up finding a house for them. However, this house was not what you thought that they would want to be buying. Like, didn't have enough bedrooms. It wasn't very large. It was just a starting point. However, what I did differently was I made them purchasing this house part of a bigger plan, right? So I made them feel like this house is just a starting point. This home that you're getting into is not the end all be all. It's not the forever home. It's just something to get you started. And then I laid out a plan for them. You're going to live here for X amount of years. Then we're going to sell this or rent it out. Then you're going to purchase another property. And I laid out a full plan for them how they can start generating wealth, right? Creating that legacy for their family. That was just one thing that I did that most agents won't do. Okay. If you can cast the bigger vision, the bigger picture, and truly be able to articulate that to the point where they feel like you can help them reach that level, they're going to know that, hey, this is just part of the climb. This is just part of something that I need to do in order to get here. Right. That involves something way more than using a script or using a listing presentation, a buyer presentation. You have to genuinely want to see your clients do better. When you make that type of investment in your business and in your clients, that's when things change differently. The problem in real estate is everybody wants to create this facade of, hey, I'm the perfect realtor who sells the most and has the biggest business. And you end up forgetting about the actual clients. Those are the people who are creating the big business for you. You know, when I coach agents, it's not about, hey, where's the next lead? Where's the next lead? Where's the next lead? It's about investing in your clients and your past clients and turning them into your referral sources for the next lead, right? When you make that type of investment genuinely, you don't have to work as hard for your next piece of business because it's already right there. But most agents, they are running this whole, hey, next after next after next. Like you're running a transactional business where it's just about the next lead, the next transaction, instead of actually loving on your people and caring about the business that you have and letting that multiply into more business. That's why when I started Power Unit and I started letting apprentices in, I said, I want to teach people how to do this to create a sustainable business. It's not just about the next lead coming in. It's truly not. It's about, hey, how can I get a lead today, tomorrow, a year from now, all from the effort that I'm putting in right now. And how I've been so successful in crafting this program and this apprenticeship is because I went through it. I went through probably 60 transactions before I realized that, hey, nobody sent me a referral. I'm literally just going after the next transaction, the next transaction. I've read all these blogs on the internet that said, hey, these successful agents, they get referrals. Why am I not getting any referrals? And that's when I realized and I sought out teachings and coachings on how I can get referrals from existing businesses, right? Existing business. And I saw that I was not investing in my people. I was not taking care of the people who had did business with me, right? So I changed my whole business plan And that's when it transitioned from just a burn and churn business, like I was on a freaking conveyor belt, to a business that I actually enjoyed, that's sustainable. Like, I've been in the business over 10 years now. Most agents, they don't last past 5 years. A lot of people don't last past 2 years. What I did differently was I created a sustainable business. And that's what I'm helping agents do. Hey, yeah, we both have the same license. You're a real estate agent, I'm a real estate agent. But how are you building your business right now? Are you building it for the next quick win? Or are you building it for something that can pay you and last for a long, long time? It makes a difference. You're out there chasing the next get rich quick or the next band-aid someone dangles in your face, oh, AI this, social media, YouTube video this. Right. Those are going to get you some leads, but guess what? They're going to die out. You're going to be back in the same position that you were in starting out, and it's not going to get any easier. Your business is made to scale, to give you more time, to give you more freedom. But oftentimes agents are getting trapped and locked in on these little quick get rich, quick win programs and coachings out there. And it's not teaching you how to actually have a business that survives a down market, or a business that survives prices going up, interest rates going up, right? Because your business is just dependent on one little funnel or one YouTube video or one type of script. And I wanted to change that. I wanted to change that. Yes, we do get into social media. I do teach you all that, but I really wanted to make sure people knew how to build this business. So when you talk to any of the other apprentices, they're going to tell you, like, it was totally different than I thought it would be. Because once you're in, I'm going to diagnose your business. I'm going to look at every intricate part of your business. I'm going to ask you a bunch of questions, because the plan that I give you is not just for a quick closing, even though you're guaranteed to get a closing or two. I make you that guarantee, but that's not what it's ultimately about. It's ultimately about you having consistent closings every single month. And that's what we build. That's how I help you, right? So when it comes to, hey, what should I do from here? Well, you have two options. You can continue to go and try things. And if you work hard, if you do whoever's teaching you, if you do what they say, you'll get results. Or you have an opportunity right in front of you right now. And if it's a fit after our interview, if it's a fit, we will take you down the road. But I have to know that I can help you. I have to be able to guarantee to you that I can help you do XYZ and close at least 1 to 2 deals. I have to be able to guarantee that to you. And so if I'm not confident that I can actually help you, I'll tell you, hey, it may be a better option for you to go here, XYZ. But if I'm confident that I can help you, if my team is confident that we can help you, then we'll make you an offer to join in as an apprentice. Whether you take it or not, that's totally up to you. But it's one of those things that once you know, you can't not know. A lot of you out there, you simply just need to be pointed in the right direction. You need to be given that game plan. You need a mentor or a coach that actually cares. You need an experience that's not just generic, right? You've been working hard in your business, you've had some wins, but now you're ready to get to that next level. And who do you turn to? Everybody out there is teaching very generic, basic information. Who do you turn to when you want to get to that next level? Right? Some of you need a different community around you. You need that community of people who are out there hustling hard, working, winning, right? Making it happen. You need those people around you to encourage you, to speak life into you, to motivate you, right? If you need that, all of that is what we have inside of Power Unit, which is why I keep it very, very close knit. We don't let everybody in, because we're looking for a certain type of person. And I want to know in my heart of hearts that I can help you. Because at that point, Not only are you investing in your future, but I'm investing in you. I'm tied to you now. And people are going to know that you're rocking with me, and I will not let you not get results. Okay. But like I said, it's not for everybody. But if this is speaking to you right now, if you know that you've been working hard, you need a push, you need that encouragement, you need that direction, and you need the true plan that you can follow, right? Not just some videos to watch, not just a course to go through, a true, custom, well crafted plan that you sit with me every single week, right? Where I'm holding you accountable. I'm telling you the next steps. I'm holding you by the hand. If that's what you need, this is your opportunity. Go ahead, click the link, book a call, and we'll chat. We'll chat. And if not, share this with someone who may need it. You never know. Pay it forward, right? Pay it forward. Let that good karma come back to you, right? We're all in this together. Click the link and let's get it started.